There's quite a few common birds, but
Yeah.
I could name a couple of them. House finch. You'll hear a lot of times their call. Birds have alarm calls, and it's usually really harsh and house finch sounds just like they do if they were like, "Hey, there's a feeder over here." Then they go. So I'm not doing it quite right, but that ending, a lot of times you'll hear this song in the springtime. That's a house finch. It's like wee. But when there's more hormones, there's more song to the house finch. Another common bird is the black-capped chickadee. You'll see a lot of those around. Mourning doves. You'll see Eurasian collar doves. You'll see those guys.